This is the Zeus anti-snoring device as it comes, rather beautifully packaged. I found it very frustrating, couldn't open the box. Eventually I got it in, put it out. Here it is. Here's the box. More packaging, the device, instructions, USB charging lead, which goes in there, and regular USB lead. So the thing I didn't realise when I first began was that that's the device and its docking unit. It's because it's magnetically clips in, which is very nice. I thought that was the whole thing, and you stuck that below your chin, but no, that's the device, that's the docking unit. Two different things. So that comes out, put that to one side. So here's the device itself, and it comes with a little yellow sticker over the connections, just to confound you if you think you're clever like I did, and think, I know, I'll charge it first of all, I'll just plug it straight in, and before we do anything else, we'll plug it in and get it charged, and then we'll know where we are. Well, nothing happens. So you have to be able to take it apart, peel off the sticker. It's on this piece actually. Yes, so once it's charged, then you have the device itself, and you need one of these. Now the manufacturer calls them pads, I don't know, wafers. And the idea is that these are double-sided sticky. Put that to one side for a minute. And if you can make it out, there it is. So you peel off one side, peel off the other. I shall have a go at it. Come on. So that comes off. That comes off. And then you line it up as best you can. Right. Cool, look at that, actually did it. So that comes off like that. And then in the bathroom mirror, you would have peeled that piece off, peel the other piece off, and then you'd line it up under your chin. Look at the diagram that I shall add below, and yeah, there you go. So that's it, that's the Zeus device. Now to control it, there are very difficult to see, some little, as it's black on black, there are some triangles, probably hard to pick up on the camera, but you can clearly, these are the buttons. On the right hand side, when it's on your face, you press it, it goes, I think it's 0 to 7 it says in the instructions, how intense the pulse is. That's up, and this side is down. There's a sequence of buttons to press to turn it on. You will notice a light flashing once it begins to work, and there's a 20-minute delay before it actually starts to allow you time to go to sleep. In the morning, I'd suggest either going to the bathroom and going through the button sequence to turn it off, and you'll get a flashing red light which you can see in the mirror, or just peel it all off, and then you can see the buttons as you press the sequence to turn it off, and you can see the light flash and it's off. Clean it all up and return it to the docking bay. Well, you can't do that now because you see you've got the sticky on it, so you have to clean it before you charge it. Device lasts an estimated 18 months, and the manufacturer's site says £150 at the moment, so you can easily work out your cost per unit, or cost per night use if you use it every night. Yeah, well, the question is, does it work?